In my opinion, the companies are aware that digitalization is a must for economical as well as ecological bigger improvements in the industry. And the ongoing digitalization will bring us from conventional industrial value chains into digital value networks. The ongoing digitalization will also create new jobs with different skills that are necessary for us in the future. And the customer expects a transparent and closer contact to the manufacturers that will influence the production processes tremendously.